There's a new makeup trend 2025 that a lot of people are just really here for, and that is the undetectable makeup trend. So basically this is very similar to the no makeup look probably, but I figured we'd explore it together, test it out, you know, put together a look, chit chat, and I've got some really great new makeup, so I'm very excited to kind of play with it, and some things I've been really loving that I figure that we'll also get into. So let's go ahead and get started. Now I have to say, one of the most beautiful products for undetectable makeup is this Saie Super Glowy Tint. And now this you just put on your, oh, do you see Roxy? She just popped her head up over there. Look at her. She's a little, you can't even really see her. Look at her up and down. She's so, guys, she has been so sick for days. It's been so awful. She's been throwing up. She's been diarrhea. She hasn't been herself. She's lethargic. We had her in the hospital several times, but thank God they kept sending her home. But you know, they didn't keep her, so, and she has gotten better, thank God, but if she didn't get better, she was gonna have to go stay. But okay, anyway guys, we're here in New York City, so okay, here is that Saie product. Now I hope you guys could see, but this is just so beautiful on the skin. It feels so good, and it gives the most beautiful radiance to your complexion, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. It's filled with so many nutrients for your skin that are just super hydrating and just really good for you, so good for your skin. So you could just really go, she, look at her, she keeps popping her head up and down, she's so crazy. Okay, so you could really just go all out. Now you can put this under your makeup, or you can put it on top of your makeup, whatever you know you prefer, or you could just wear this with a little concealer, which I think is beautiful for an undetectable makeup look. But it feels so good, and it does not irritate your skin. If you're like me, my skin is so sensitive, so I can put it though on my body, where this part of my body is so sensitive. I always break out, have rashes. You might have seen it was red before, and now it's kind of taken away the redness and given this beautiful glow to the skin. Hello. Wow. I wasn't expecting that because I haven't really worn it like this too much, just a little bit, but today I put a little extra and the glow is glowing. Okay. So this feels so good. I could just put this on forever. I just keep massaging it in, especially if you have fine lines under your eyes. Go ahead and put it right under your eye. It feels so good. My skin is so burnt right now. I use this new glycolic product serum that you put on at night, and I've used it before, so I'm not sure what happened. I think the water here is different here in New York City, so it's more drying. I think ever since I got here, my skin feels much drier than in my my regular house. So I hope you guys can see. So my eyes were even burnt and had red spots. Roxy's listening to everything. But now that just alleviated the redness and the irritation. So it feels so good. Okay, now you can go ahead, like I said, and just, you know, do a little bit or whatever you feel comfortable. But I actually, oh my goodness, I have been so obsessed here, guys. Sorry, I have everything all over the place. But I hope okay, here it is. This is my number one. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. It's been around forever, and I've had it before, but I never really fully appreciated it until now, because I like to do more of a no makeup look now, and that undetectable makeup look. Before I did like a more glam look, but if you want the undetectable look, then this is the product for you. This is actually considered, or even it's been called, an invisible concealer, because it actually turns invisible on your skin, and let me tell you, it blends so easily, and then you actually feel like you have nothing on your skin. You can put this on in seconds and you're ready to go. You know, you don't have to do much else. I mean, it blends itself. I have a very light shade here, but you could always use a deeper shade, and you know, it would be less brightening. But this is just amazing because it also doesn't budge. I wear this I go to Pilates every day now, and it doesn't transfer. It doesn't get in your lines. It doesn't crease up on you. It doesn't do anything but make you look more wide awake and feel more confident. So I love this. Oh my gosh. And it just blends like a dream. Because I hope you guys can see, but that was just 1, 2, 3, and we're blended. So I can actually get ready in just like 5 minutes now with this product and be out the door. And you know, you don't really need much else. You know, I'm going to put a little setting powder on top, but I actually do love this so much. I've shown this in other videos, but I'm obsessed with this Jones Robe for the glow that it gives. So I am going to put a little bit of this on just for that glow. It does also take away, it will conceal your dark circles. It's very minimal, but it's beautiful. The effect, I think, is just absolutely beautiful. And it looks like you have no makeup on. Oh, actually, you can see it there. Good. You use a dry sponge with it, they say, or your fingers. So they say not to use a wet sponge. So this is a dry sponge, and how easy is that? Because sometimes I never have the, a sink around me or things like that, and then I feel bad using a dry sponge, but Bobbi Brown, the makeup artist that invented this, said to use a dry sponge. So there you go. Now, I hope you could just see the radiance, the coverage. This is a foundation, they call it, but you look like you have no foundation on. You just look perfect, and it is so gorgeous on your neck if you're like me and I have to make sure Roxy's not throwing up or anything. You don't even want to know what happened yesterday, but if you do have red spots, it will take away the redness. So it's just a true confidence booster because it makes you look like you have the most gorgeous skin, but you're faking it because I don't have perfect skin. It makes your skin look smooth, glowing. I actually love the smell because it's lavender-esque, and so it's very relaxing. I love it. I just love this product so much. So I hope you can see it's not a lot of coverage, but there is a lot of glow and just a healthy look to your skin, and just looking more wide awake, well rested. You feel so good. I'm almost out of it, I think. I'm gonna buy another one. I could use this for life. I'm addicted. So now another staple in the no makeup or the undetectable makeup look is to use those cream products, either a cream bronzer, cream blush, or both. So let me go ahead and see. I don't have all of my, things here. Let me just dump this out right now. I hope Roxy doesn't steal it because everything's a mess. Now, this is a beautiful product for I keep saying no makeup, but the undetectable makeup look. This is the Milk Makeup, and this is a beautiful product because it's very natural looking. So to make it look really undetectable, put it on your brush first. This is a new brush from Benefit, and it's specifically made for cream contour products. So, just depending what kind of look you'd like to do, I think I will put on a little blush though too, because I do love a little blush. I mean, who doesn't, right? But this blends your cream products beautifully, and it's just gonna look effortless. And now what's great too about this, stunning on your eyes and very natural looking. So I'll just put some on my brush and just run it in the hooding so that we can make the eyes look more wide awake. And oh goodness, I don't know what Roxy, no, she wants all the makeup. Yes, she wants me to do her makeup. You want me to do your makeup? Okay, I'll put some little fake, I put the brushes on her face. She loves it. So, okay, here you could see, guys, though, it's undetectable. It just looks like you're more wide awake. If you have hooding, it's going to disguise the hooding. It's going to not emphasize, if I put shimmer on, it makes my hooding look awful many times. So I can only put a little shimmer, but how beautiful is that? Now, let's see, I do have I hope I can find it. I had a new cream blush that I just got at the drugstore the other day. So, here it is. I'm doing great, guys. Finding everything. This is from Milani. Absolutely stunning. Drugstore, better than high-end. It's called a Cheek Kiss. And so we'll just pop a little bit of this on. Let's put this on the apples of the cheeks. And you can actually use your fingers to apply this because it's so easy to blend. And actually, I do want to use a brush though, but you can use your fingers. I generally use my fingers. This is the first time I'm using a brush with it, so it might be better with your fingers, but I just don't want, I'm wearing white head to toe, so I don't really want to get white all of makeup on my hands and then touch the, So there's that, let's just take the concealer down and it blends better with your finger, that blush. So that's definitely the way to go. And okay, let's grab, where did we put our NARS? That's our light. Oh, here it is. We can never lose this. It's just a godsend. Yeah, just put a little more because you don't want your blush to be too obvious with this undetectable look. You want to look like it was all just, you're just naturally perfect skin. Oh, mommy's listening to every word. Love you, mommy. I'm so proud of you. I'm so grateful to God because she wasn't, the thing that was weird too is that she wasn't herself. She didn't want to play anymore. She was depressed. You could tell she was actually depressed. And she was, first of all, she wouldn't eat, and she loves to eat, but she wasn't eating. And then when we went outside, the birds, she didn't want to chase the birds. She didn't want to chase the dogs outside like she usually does. But today we went out and she was right there going after the dogs again. So she's back to herself. Because usually she will, not to say she attacks the dogs, but she will, you know, bark at them and whatnot. So now here I have a little bit of this. This is a powder from L'Oreal. It's a blurring powder. It's so beautiful. It is drugstore better than high-end. Now you just want to put this on just very minimally, and you just want to use the smallest amount of powder, but just put it where pretty much where your concealer is, just so you could help set it. And I like to put it on the T-zone because it will blur your pores and make everything look super duper smooth. So okay, let's put a little more on though, just for, you know, for fun. But here we go. I didn't do my brows yet. I guess I'll do my brows off camera because that's not, you guys are not interested in the brows, right? But I hope you guys can see here, I'm already looking more wide awake, more just with it. Did I have a bronzer? I do like to use, oh, here's a very nice bronzer, one of my favorites that I brought with me. So we're just put a little bit of bronzer right into on the cheekbones where we put the cream bronzer. Just put a little bit of this just to bring everything together. And I love this even over the eyes too, because it's so beautiful on the face, the eyes. So let's put it on the crease. We'll just put a little in our crease. These are the BK Beauty brushes. I know Mother's Day is probably past, but they do always have such great sales. I'll have them linked down below with the shop with YouTube feature. So these are by Lisa J Makeup. She is here on YouTube, and she makes these brushes specifically, or you know, she makes a lot of brushes that are just perfect for hooded eyes and more mature eyes that might be saggy and things like that. Like my hooding does get saggy, and she is just here for us and created these amazing brushes that are just, you know, so good for hooded eye gals. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this shimmer here, and you just want to pop that in your tear duct area just to make everything look more wide awake, and put some down your nose, even a little on your brow bone. And this is all going to look very undetectable. People are going to think that you have no makeup on, but you are just glowing, just back from vacay, you know, all those good things. So here's that. And this is the Morphe brushes, which are excellent. So now that's pretty much where we're at. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my brows. As I'm back, I just did my brows. I added some mascara, and I added these nude toned liners in the waterline. That makes such a great effect. It is for, you know, undetectable makeup, just makes you look more wide awake. And then I also did add a little bit of a wing liner to the outer portion of my eye, just to make my eyes look bigger and things like that. So loving this so far. I'm just going to give myself a spritz of this. Is a new setting spray from Patrick Starr, One Size Beauty. It's called the Powder Melt Glass Skin Spray. So this is going to give you that glass skin look, and that it's just so huge. You know, you could spray this liberally even before you put on any products. It's just going to moisturize, nourish your skin. Has no scent, of beautiful fine mist. And I hope you guys can see, but look at the radiance and the glow that it's given my skin. It's crazy, you know, what it will do for your skin. So I'm just going to put on a quick lip here. Now, for your undetectable makeup look, you just want to put on just something very minimal. Here is just my Morphe lip liner in Bite Me. So go ahead and blend your lip liner out. That's going to be really important, so everything looks really effortless and undetectable. So you won't be able to detect that you even have lip liner on when you blend the liner out. And then you want to take some kind of lip balm. Now this one is so amazing. I just did a little review of this, and I'll just show you guys again. It's incredible. This is the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Melting Lip Balm, and this one is called actually, because there's all different shades and all different names for these, Vanilla Toffee. So this is just going to look very natural and effortless and just give you that undetectable look. So here is that. And now I have to say, this is pretty much it, but I am obsessed with using these faux freckles from Tarte. These are so good, and they make you look like you have no makeup on, because it looks like your skin is just bare and natural, and you just have been out in the sun. I've never liked these kind of freckles before. I've tried a few and I never really liked them, but these I love. They're so natural looking, and just push them in with your finger And actually, I think it just gives you such a cute look. And again, it just adds to making it look like you have no makeup on, because it looks like, oh, when you see the freckles, your mind just thinks she doesn't have makeup on, because I could see her skin. But naturally, you know, it really is not my skin, but it's, you know, faux freckles. But that's between me and you guys, right? We're not sharing our secrets with the world, with the guys out there or whoever. Like, my husband is always like, oh, don't wear makeup. But if I show up like this, he's like, oh, you don't have makeup on. I love it. He's like, dude, I have on so much makeup. Like, what don't you get? Like, they think you have no makeup on, but meanwhile, I have on more makeup than, you know, than I know what to do with. So what do you guys think of this undetectable makeup look? Let's get ourselves situated here. I love it. I think it's great. I can't believe it. These new products are just so amazing. It's like a whole new world of makeup with all these products that are just totally undetectable, give you the most beautiful skin, and, you know, just make you look fresh and just very youthful, to be honest. And let me just put on a little tiny bit though of lip liner just to bring back the lips. But what do you guys think? What are some of your favorite? Oh, did I tell you guys my brows are drugstore? These are just you just want to fill in the little gaps and things like that. But this is the NYX micro brow pencil and the brow glue. That's how I did the brows. So let me know what you think of this look. Do you like this kind of makeup? I love it. I'm so happy that, you know, I found makeup that works for me. I personally think this makeup is gorgeous. You could always, you know, add a little lip oil too if you want your lips on top of the balm, if you want them to look uber juicy. But let me know if you've tried any of these products. Let me know your favorites down below. And thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you guys are all doing good, and I'll see you very soon.